Welcome to my mathematics class. 6th class mathematics, semester 2. In semester 2, the first chapter is fractions. ఫస్ట్ వీడియోలో నేను ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ అంటే ఏంటి, దాన్ని ఎలా రాయాలి, దాంట్లో ఎన్ని భాగాలు ఉంటాయి అనే దాని గురించి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను. మెయిన్గా ఈ వీడియోస్ నేను చేసేది తెలుగు మీడియం స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియంలోకి వచ్చి ఇబ్బంది పడుతూ ఉన్న వాళ్ళ కోసం ఉపయోగపడతాయి. స్టేట్ గవర్నమెంట్ మొత్తం హై స్కూల్ క్లాసెస్ అన్నీ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియంలోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేశారు కాబట్టి అప్పటిదాకా తెలుగులో టీచ్ చేస్తున్న స్టూడెంట్స్ ఒక్కసారిగా ఇంగ్లీష్లో టీచ్ చేయాలంటే కష్టపడతారు. కాబట్టి దాన్ని వాళ్ళకు ఉపయోగపడేటట్టుగా, అదేవిధంగా అప్పటిదాకా తెలుగులో చదివి ఒకసారి ఇంగ్లీష్లోకి షిఫ్ట్ అయిన స్టూడెంట్స్కి కూడా ఉపయోగపడే విధంగా నేను ఈ క్లాసెస్, ఈ వీడియోస్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఈ గవర్నమెంట్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్లో కూడా ఒకవైపు తెలుగు ఒకవైపు ఇంగ్లీషు ఇచ్చారు. కానీ అంటే మనకు ఇంగ్లీష్ టర్మినాలజీ అర్థం కానప్పుడు వెంటనే పక్కన తెలుగులో ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి రెఫర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. కానీ మనకు మెయిన్గా ఇంగ్లీష్ వెకాబులరీ కావాలి కాబట్టి టర్మ్స్ అన్నీ ఇంగ్లీష్లోనే చెప్పి ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషను ఇంగ్లీష్లో తెలుగులో రెండిట్లో చెప్తాను. అప్పుడు ఈజీగా అర్థమవుతూ ఉంటుంది. సో ఫస్ట్ వీడియోలో మనము ఫ్రాక్షన్ అంటే ఏంటి, ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఎలా రాస్తారు, దాంట్లో ఎన్ని భాగాలు ఉంటాయి, ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఏ విధంగా మనం ఫ్రాక్షన్ని రాయొచ్చు, ఒక పార్ట్ని ఒక ఫ్రాక్షన్గా ఎట్లా రాస్తారో అనేది చూసాము. దాన్ని ఈ వీడియోలో క్విక్గా రివైజ్ చేసేద్దాం. సో ఫ్రాక్షన్ డెఫినేషన్ ఏంటంటే, ఏ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఈజ్ ఏ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఏ హోల్. A fraction is a part of a whole. Whole means a whole thing or a group of things, whatever. The part of this whole is called a fraction. What fraction is this that can be written like this? The whole is divided into certain equal parts. Suppose this is a whole chapati. Let it be made into 4 equal parts. The chapati is made into 4 pieces, equal pieces, and one part is given to one girl. One part is given to one girl. What fraction of the chapati is given to that girl means we can write like this. The total number of equal parts of the chapati is given below a horizontal line. That this line, horizontal line. The total number of equal pieces is written below the horizontal line. The number of equal parts required or given or taken out from the total is given above the horizontal line. So 1/4 is the fraction of the chapati given to that girl. That is this part. This shaded part is 1/4. This is called a fraction. So this part is the fraction of the whole chapati. This is the fraction. Similarly, I will give another example. Suppose there are a number of pencils. Like suppose 8 pencils are there. 3 pencils are given to a boy. What fraction of the total number of pencils are given to the boy? We have to find out. So total number of pencils is given below the horizontal line. 3 pencils are given to the boy. Therefore number of pencils taken out or considered are given to a boy is written on the above the horizontal line. Therefore 3/8. This fraction is called 3/8. 3/8. So 3 pencils are 3/8 of a total pencils having 8 pencils. So these 3 pencils, the fraction of 3 pencils in this box is 3/8. So 8 పెన్సిల్స్లో 3 పెన్సిల్స్ ఎంత పార్ట్ ఎంత ఫ్రాక్షన్ అంటే 3/8 అనమాట. 3/8, 1/4, 1/2, all these are called fractions. A fraction contains 2 parts. The number above the horizontal line and the number below the horizontal line. A fraction contains 2 parts. So the number above the horizontal line is called numerator. Numerator. Simply we will write like this NR. The number above the horizontal line. Suppose in this fraction, numerator 1 is the numerator. The number below the horizontal line is called denominator. Denominator. Simply we will write it DR everywhere. Denominator. So here the denominator is 4. The number below the horizontal line. Denominator denotes the whole number of equal parts. Numerator denotes the number of parts taken out. So numerator and denominator. Generally, if we write a fraction like a by b, a is the numerator and b is the denominator. Therefore, a fraction contains numerator and denominator. This is what we studied in the first class, in the first video. Now, coming to this class, color the part according to the given fraction. Here a fraction is given and the figure is given. Here the circle is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 equal parts. So 8 equal parts. And the fraction is 1/8. Color the given fraction in the figure below. So total number of parts are 8 and 1 part is taken out. Therefore 1/8, 1 part out of 8 equal parts. This colored portion is 1/8 of the total figure. Similarly, in the second one, this triangle is made up of 4 equal parts. So color 1/4 of the figure. That means color 1 part out of 4 equal parts. Therefore, this colored portion is 1/4. We can take any part, any one part, because 4 parts are equal, so we can choose any part. Like this, we can color either any we can color any triangle. This portion is also 1/4. This is also 1/4. This is also 1/4. This is also 1/4. So 4 equal parts. Each part is equal to 1/4. So 1/4 fraction of this triangle is colored. Similarly, 1/3. Here there are 3 equal parts. Therefore, total number of equal parts 3. 1 part is taken. Therefore, any one part, 3 are equal, any one part is colored. This is 1/3. Similarly, we can color this also or this. Any one part is colored, and that colored portion denotes 1/3. Here the circle is divided into 4 equal parts, and 1/4 fraction is to be colored. Therefore, you can color any part. All are equal. Therefore, any one part is equal to 1/4. Next, 5th. Here this grid contains 9 equal parts. Among the 9 equal parts, we have to color 4 equal parts because the fraction is 4/9. So any 4 blocks can be colored like this. This is 1/4. You can choose any 4 equal parts among 9 equal parts. Therefore, to write a fraction, we have to make the whole thing or a group of things into some equal parts. Then we can write the fraction easily. Now, for example, consider this figure I will give you a figure. Next, third problem. Third sum. This is a equilateral triangle. I have drawn a line. The shaded portion is half. Is it correct? This is the center of the side. This is the center of the side, or here, this side. So this portion is not equal to this portion. So only when the two parts are equal, one part is half. Therefore, there is a mistake here. Or if you write a square and made it into 4 parts, and these 4 parts are not equal, and one part is shaded, it is written as 1/4. Is it correct? It is not correct. One part is taken, but the 4 parts are there. Out of 4 parts, one part is taken out. But the parts are not equal. Therefore, this shaded portion is not equal to 1/4. It is not equal to the given fraction. Similarly, if we take a circle and it is made into several parts like this, and if we take this one, is it equal to 1/4? No, because all the parts are not equal. These parts are equal only when we draw the lines passing through the center and perpendicular to each other. Then only 4 parts are equal. Here the lines are not passing. This line is not passing through the center, and this line is also not passing through the center. Therefore, these parts are not equal to each other. Therefore, this part is not equal to 1/4. Therefore, these 4 examples are not equal to the given fraction. Next, what fraction of a day is equal to 8 hours? Sorry. What fraction what fraction of a day is equal to 8 hours? This is a 4th problem, I think. 4th. What fraction of a day is 8 hours? 8 hours. What fraction of a day is 8 hours? Therefore, a day is equal to 24 hours. So, we have considered 8 hours. 8 hours. Consider 8 hours. Hours taken out. Whether hours considered. Hours taken. Therefore, 8 hours is the fraction. Therefore, the required fraction is equal to total number of equal parts of a day, total 24 hours, 24 equal times, and number of times taken 8. Therefore, 8 hours is 8/12 of a day. 8/24th of a day, and this can be simplified. 8 ones and 8 threes, 24. Therefore, this can be written as 1/3. So, 8 hours is 1/3 of a day. 8 hours is 1/3 of a day. Like that, we can write the fraction of certain amount in a whole amount. For example, what fraction of an hour is 40 minutes? See, fifth, what fraction of an hour is 40 minutes. 40 minutes. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Therefore, fraction of 40 minutes in an hour is fraction of 40 minutes in an hour. So required fraction is equal to 40 minutes by total minutes 60 minutes. 40 minutes out of 60 minutes. Fraction of 40 minutes in 1 hour. That is equal to 0, 0 gets cancelled. Again 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So 2/3 of an hour is equal to 40 minutes. Or 40 minutes is 2/3 of an hour. 2/3 of an hour. 2/3. 2/3 means if 1 hour is 60 minutes. If we make it into 3 equal parts, 20, 20, 20, 3 equal parts. 40 minutes means two parts in this, and the total parts 3. Therefore 2, 3. 40 is 2/3 in 60. Therefore 40 minutes is 2/3 of an hour, because hour is equal to 60 minutes. So that. Next problem. Next, sixth one. Sixth one is Arya, Abhimanyu and Vivek shared lunch. Arya has brought 2 sandwiches, one made of vegetable and one of jam. The other 2 boys forgot to bring their lunch. Arya agreed to share his sandwiches so that each person will have an equal share of each sandwich. So there are 3 friends. 3 friends. And one Arya, Abhiram and Vivek. Arya has brought 2 sandwiches. One brought 2 sandwiches. One made of vegetable and one. Among this, one is vegetable and the other is jam. The other 2 boys forgot to bring the lunch. Therefore, they wanted to share the 2 sandwiches among the 3 equally. Arya agreed to share his sandwiches so that each person will have an equal share of sandwich. How can Arya divide his sandwiches so that each person has an equal share? What part of a sandwich will each boy receive? So, how can Arya divide? So each sandwich is different. Therefore, first vegetable sandwich is made into 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts. One part is taken by one boy, and the other one jam. The sandwich jam is divided into 3 equal parts and is taken. Each part is taken by each one. Therefore, 1/3 of this sandwich and 1/3 of this sandwich are one part of vegetable sandwich, one part of sandwich made with jam, one part are taken by each one. Therefore, each one get 2 parts. Each one get 2 parts. The total parts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. Therefore 2 by 6, that is equal to 2 1s and 2 3s. 1/3. So 1/3 part of the whole 2 sandwiches are taken by each friend. 1/3 from first sandwich and 1/3 from the second sandwich. In total also 1/3 in the 1/3 part in the total sandwiches is taken by each friend. Next problem, 7th. Kanchan dyes dresses. This is 6th one. 7th one. Kanchan dyes dresses. Kanchan's work is dyeing dresses. She had to dye 30 dresses. She had to dye 30 dresses. Color dye చేయటం అన్నమాట. 30 dresses total. 30 dresses. Total dresses she has to dye. But she has so far finished 20 dresses. By now she has finished 20 dresses. So what part of the dresses or what part of her work has finished so far? That is a required fraction. We want the fraction of the dresses in the whole. So the required fraction is total dresses and the dresses dyed so far. టోటల్ డ్రెస్సెస్లో ఎన్ని డ్రెస్సెస్ ఇప్పటి వరకు డై చేశారు. టోటల్ డ్రెస్సెస్ కింద రాసుకోవాలి ఎప్పుడు కూడా. టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్ బిలో ది హారిజాంటల్ లైన్స్. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పార్ట్స్ రిక్వైర్డ్ ఆర్ డన్ ఆర్ టేకన్ అవుట్ ఈజ్ రిటన్ అబౌవ్ ది లైన్. దేర్ఫోర్ number of dresses dyed so far is written above the horizontal line. Total number of dresses to be dyed are written under this line. Therefore this is equal to 2/3. 0 gets cancels. 2/3. Therefore Kanchan finished 2/3. It is a fraction. 2/3 of the total dresses. 2/3 of the total dresses. That is 20 dresses are 2/3 of 30 dresses. Therefore she dyed 2/3 of the total dresses. So 2/3 of her work has finished so far. So we will continue in the next class. I will give so many examples and we will practice in the next class, next video. So by the time you practice this, again go through the video and learn about the fractions, how to write a fraction, which is wrong and which is right. Okay.